Imagine opening up an iPhone Fold for the first time, and the display is not just thinner, but noticeably brighter, more efficient, and somehow still doesn't destroy the battery. That's exactly what Apple is reportedly gearing up to do, and the wild part is how they're getting there. By quietly adopting a piece of Samsung display tech that's been hiding in plain sight for years. According to a new report out of Korea, Apple is planning to use Samsung Display's COE technology for the iPhone Fold. And this isn't just some minor spec tweak. This one change could impact brightness, battery life, and even how thin future iPhones can get. In fact, this same tech is also expected to show up in the iPhone 18 lineup and even Samsung's own Galaxy S26 series. So what's actually going on here? Normally, OLED displays use a polarizer layer. Its job is to reduce reflections and improve contrast, but it comes with a huge downside. It blocks nearly half the light the OLED panel produces. That means the display has to work harder, pull more power, and slowly drain your battery just to stay bright enough. COE, which Samsung Display also calls on-cell film, completely removes that polarizer. Instead of placing it on top, the color filter is integrated directly into the OLED's protective layer. You get less thickness, way better light efficiency, and lower power consumption, all at the same time. Samsung first introduced this tech back in 2021 with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and they've used it in every fold and flip since. If you've ever wondered how Samsung's foldables manage decent battery life despite relatively small batteries, this is a huge reason why. Now here's the interesting part. Apple is reportedly jumping in. The iPhone Fold is expected to use this display tech, but it doesn't stop there. The report also points to the iPhone 18 lineup, specifically the thinner Air model, and for the first time ever, a non-foldable Samsung phone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That would be a big shift because until now, Samsung has kept COE exclusive to foldables. As for battery life, Samsung Display claims COE can cut power consumption by up to 37%. That's massive, and Apple already has another trick up its sleeve. Last year, Apple introduced a rigid metal can battery design that lets the battery take custom shapes and sit closer to the phone's edges. By moving the logic board and clearing out the center, they effectively turned more of the phone into pure battery space. Samsung has done something similar recently with its foldables, redesigning internal components so everything hugs the edges more tightly. When you combine that kind of internal redesign with a more efficient display, Apple has two clear options: either deliver genuinely impressive battery life or go aggressively thin without sacrificing endurance. And knowing Apple, I'd bet on the second option. I really don't see Apple releasing a chunky foldable. If Samsung could make the ultra-slim Galaxy Z Fold 7 happen after refining its edge design language, Apple could absolutely follow a similar playbook with the iPhone Fold, sleek, premium, and thinner than anyone expects. The big takeaway here is that this isn't just about one phone. This display tech could quietly shape the next generation of iPhones and Galaxies, making them brighter, thinner, and more efficient without relying on massive batteries or extreme silicon carbon tech. But what do you think? Would you rather Apple use this efficiency for insane battery life or push the limits on thinness? Drop your thoughts below. I'm genuinely curious. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.